Can Siri help you shut down your iPhone? Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure you have enabled Siri on your device, and now go ahead and command Siri to shut down your device. You can simply say, "Hey Siri," and later ask her to shut down. You will then receive this type of pop-up. Make sure that Siri cannot shut down your iPhone directly for security reasons. So you will have to tap on the power off button you see there in the pop-up in order to shut down your iPhone. Or you can also simply press the volume up button and the power off button until you see the slide to power off slider and further slide to power off. So this is how you can help Siri shut down your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.